Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos like this, you get notified and come and watch. It's full of important vitamins, powerful antioxidants that will help to slow down free radical damage, making sure you don't get older, like older than your age. So without wasting time, let me show you how to prepare this simple drink for best results. To obtain a younger skin, a vibrant, clear skin, you will have to make use of banana. So we are going to use the inner part of the banana. However, the outer part of the banana peel, is very effective when it comes to anti-aging treatment. But the inner part is going to keep you fresh, clear, and also removing wrinkles as well. You can go ahead and make use of as many as you want. If you want to make a large amount, I'll be making use of only one of the banana, and this is going to be enough. So we have to get a ripe one or a soft one. So after mashing it until it's very smooth, you go ahead and transfer it into another clean bowl. You can also blend it to make it smoother. So the next one we have here is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is going to clear your skin, make your skin brighter. It gets rid of a dull skin. It removes acne, blemishes, and the rest. So only small amount of it is enough in this treatment. Half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, so the next one I'm going to add is coconut oil. This will protect your skin, hydrate, and keep your skin well moisturized, also helping to get your skin tighter. Half teaspoon, just few drops. It's time to show you how to apply this treatment to keep your skin younger, vibrant, and clear looking. In just 10 minutes, get that younger skin, vibrant skin, and a clear looking skin. You have to wash your face, remove all makeup before using this treatment so that the ingredients will be able to penetrate well and work better. So after that, you go ahead and use either your hand or you apply it with the help of a brush like this. Anywhere you want to apply it, okay? Go ahead, apply it under your eyes, apply it on your neck to tighten your skin, to remove neck wrinkles, also to prevent eye wrinkles. So I'm going to wash it off. I'll be right back. So wash it off after 10 minutes, only 10 minutes, okay? And that is because of the apple cider vinegar, okay? So though you can leave it on more than that if there's no reaction. So go ahead and enjoy your skin. Use this treatment every day or 3 times weekly for best results. Your skin is just going to look vibrant, younger, clear, younger. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.